Hi, this is Alan from Alpus Group, and I'm going to talk to you today about the crisis in the commercial real estate market. So join me as I dive into the commercial real estate market and identify the reasons for this crisis in the market and what we can do to uncover what you really need to know right now. So the commercial real estate crisis is a critical issue that's been flying under the radar, and it's essential for investors and the economy as a whole to understand its implications. Rising interest rates are making it harder for developers to secure financing, and as a result we're seeing a slowdown in new construction projects. At the same time, changing work habits are leading to a shift away from traditional office spaces, leaving many commercial properties vacant or underutilized. On top of that, economic downturns are further exacerbating the problem, making it increasingly difficult for businesses to stay afloat. The ripple effects of these challenges are being felt across the entire commercial real estate market. We're seeing a significant decrease in property values, which is having a devastating impact on investors who have poured their money into these assets. Furthermore, the lack of demand for commercial spaces is leading to a glut of supply, which is driving down rents and making it even harder for the landlords to turn a profit. The problem is further compounded by the fact that many commercial properties are tied to long-term leases, which means that even if a business goes under, the landlord is still left with an empty building that they're contractually obliged to maintain. This is leading to a scenario where landlords are being forced to take on more and more risk, which is only adding to the instability of the market. One of the most concerning aspects of the commercial real estate crisis is the lack of transparency surrounding the true extent of the problem. Many experts are warning that the situation is far worse than what's being reported and that we're just seeing the tip of the iceberg. For instance, a recent study found that over 40% of commercial properties in major cities are currently vacant, which is a staggering number that should be setting off alarm bells for investors. We've spoken to several experts in the field who are warning that the commercial real estate crisis is going to get a lot worse before it gets better. They're saying that we're in for a long and protracted period of market instability and that investors need to be extremely cautious when it comes to putting their money into commercial properties. One potential bright spot in all of this is that the crisis could lead to a shift towards more innovative and sustainable commercial spaces. For example, we're seeing a growing trend towards co-working spaces and shared offices which are more agile and adaptable to changing work habits. This could lead to a more resilient and flexible commercial real estate market in the long run. Another potential strategy for investors is to focus on alternative asset classes, such as industrial or logistics properties, which are less susceptible to the whims of the office market. This could provide a more stable source of returns even in the midst of a crisis. It's clear that the commercial real estate crisis is a complex and multifaceted issue, but by understanding the root causes of the problem and being aware of the potential opportunities that are emerging, investors can make more informed decisions and mitigate their risk. Remember, the commercial real estate crisis is a critical issue that demands our attention, and it's essential that we stay informed and vigilant in the face of uncertainty. Leave your thoughts in the comments below on how you think the commercial real estate crisis will play out, and be sure to check out our next video where we'll be exploring investment strategies for navigating challenging markets such as commercial to residential conversions. If you'd like to contact me about any sort of property development or sites, purchases, investments, then do not hesitate to call me, that's Alan, on 07539 141257 or 0333 224 1257. From outside the UK, that's +44 7539 141257 or +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop me an email at alan@alpusgroup.com. Cheers for now.